with mine. Good day guys, Sifted again, and welcome to our channel. Well, I just do hope that we're all doing fine despite the difficulty of the situation due to pandemic. By the way, first timers, after watching the video, please subscribe, like, click the notification bell so you'll be notified of the next uploading, and please leave an honest comment. But don't forget to share. Today I'll be making a Genoise sponge from the category of foam cakes. Well, actually there are three kinds of foam cake. Number one is Genoise sponge. Number two is chiffon cake. And then the last is the angel cake. They are all foam cakes. And the angel cake is only using egg whites. But basically they have almost the same ingredients. Eggs, cake flour, sugar, and flavoring. I will be making two kinds of Genoise sponge. One is a basic vanilla sponge, and the other one is a choco Genoise sponge. The ratio of the ingredients are almost the same. The only difference, the sugar is a little bit more on one, and for the choco Genoise sponge, the flour is reduced a little bit, but it's completed with the cocoa powder. So I will start with the vanilla Genoise sponge. And the ingredients are 4 pieces whole eggs, 85 grams sugar, 95 grams cake flour, 2 tablespoons milk, 2 tablespoons melted butter, and 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. We also need a medium round cake mold lined in the bottom and on the sides with wax paper. Okay, first we have to put hot water in one bowl, and then we will put our egg, then our sugar, and then we will start to beat it until fluffy. After about 8 minutes, okay, now our eggs are ready. Now we will hold our flour. Now, our butter and milk, we will combine it, and then we will add a little mixture. And then add it into our cake batter. We'll scrape the bottom, make sure that everything is well mixed. And then we will pour it into our mold. Then we'll just wrap it a little bit. And then we will bake it oven of around 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 175 degrees Celsius. You just have to bake it for 30 to 35 minutes, and then we'll come back to it after about that time. For our chocolate Genoise sponge, we need 4 pieces whole eggs. This time, 90 grams sugar, 85 grams cake flour, 10 grams cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons milk, and 2 tablespoons melted butter. First, we have to put hot water in one bowl, and then we will put our egg, then our sugar, and then we will start to beat it until fluffy. After about 8 minutes, okay, meanwhile, there is our flour mixed with corn. We'll just mix it nicely. Okay. Then we will add our mix. Fold it thoroughly. Then we will pour it into our cake mold. Tap it a little bit. Then bake it like the vanilla sponge. You just have to bake it for 30 to 35 minutes. We have here our chocolate sponge, Genoise sponge, and our vanilla sponge. I have here my mocha syrup. First, to make our cake moist, we will wet this a little bit with our syrup. And then we will put some buttercream. And then this one, we will wet this with mocha syrup. And then we'll wet it again with mocha syrup. And then buttercream again. Then we'll pipe some buttercream on the side and then flatten it. After we finish frosting, we have to chill this first in the chiller before completing the final frosting. Okay, our Genoise Sponge Cake. I made this to celebrate a special day for today, our 46 years anniversary of our marriage. Well guys, that's my version of Genoise Sponge Cake. I finished it and assembled it, and I used a meringue buttercream. And I made this cake timing for one occasion that we always celebrate, and this is our wedding anniversary. So the finished product serves as our wedding anniversary cake. By the way, first timers, This is now the time for you to subscribe and click the like button and also click the notification bell so that you will be notified for my next uploading of video. But please do not forget to leave an honest comment. Thank you very much for watching. See you next video for another basic dessert that I will make for you guys. This is Chef Ben Casabon signing off, and God bless us all.